Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're showing this DeLonghi EC-680 machine that we recently repaired. The customer was reporting an issue with a burnt electrical connector, or actually just a burnt smell. We opened it up and found that the electrical connector going to the boiler was melted and burned, so we replaced it and now everything is working great. You can see that the lights are flashing. That means that the machine needs to be descaled, and we'll just recommend that the customer descale the machine. And what else is going on? Everything else is working great. So let's go ahead and make a shot. I think I got the coffee a little too fine for this machine. This machine, I had the coffee set for a much bigger espresso machine with a lot more pressure. But we're getting nice crema. But we're definitely putting this machine under more stress than it can handle. So I'm going to stop it. But you can see it's pouring a shot. Let's go ahead and turn the steam on. Check that out. These are nice little machines though, you know, for the price. And the other thing that is really great about this machine is that it has a very small footprint. A lot of people don't have a lot of room on their countertops, and these machines are good for people who just don't have space for a big espresso machine. Let's go ahead and touch the steam. You can see the steam is working great. So thank you for operating with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.